Hey guys, we're back at my channel. We are playing Spider with my friend Kai. Say hi, Kai.
Hi.
And she's gonna join any second, but for now, she's doing something. So she can't, right now, get in the game. But, yeah. Yes, I'm gonna escape. Yeah, the door was bricked for me. Eat them quickly, do another round. Okay. So, yeah. Yes, we're starting. Yes. Kai, you getting in now?
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, okay. Is my mom back? Okay. OMG, there's just 3 players.
Okay, let me join you right now.
OMG, guys, there's just three players. And somebody is gonna be Spider and it's gonna be me, I think.
Alright, I'm joining.
Okay, join fast.
I did.
It's not me. Please don't be me. Yes, it's not me. It's a other girl. Yeah. Okay, now let's skip. Yes. That was fast as. You and me? That would be bad.
Ooh, I'm glitching a lot.
That's bad. Just you and me? Oh no. Kai? OMG, something just happened. Okay. So, yeah. Yes. You got the crowbar, did you? Did you got the crowbar? I think, did you get the crowbar? I'm already working all this good.
I need you to come to the door and open it.
What door?
Never mind.
Okay. Okay, I'm getting the crowbar. You get the, crowbar. I'm getting the crowbar. Yes! I'm doing all the job right now, girl. Oh, yes, more people coming. Coming to mama, yes. Okay. Oh, no. No. Yes. Good. No. Yes, no. Yes. Oh, no. Yes. Yeah.
Come here.
Wait, I'm getting it. I'm
You have
gonna
the yellow key?
get it. Be patient.
Come on.
Takes time, things, okay? Things.
Over here before Spider gets over here.
Spider's already going that way.
Hurry up.
Cookie. Okay. Yes. Help! She's killing me!
I can't help you.
Yes! Oh, she let me go. How nice of her. Ah! And I'm like, ah! She can't get me here. She's luck.
Okay, I got the battery. Do you have the purple key?
Yep, but she blocked it.
No, of course you did.
Oh. Help! He's coming for me!
Hurry up, you gotta put it in.
Yes! We escaped! I almost did everything. I almost did everything, bro.
No, I did everything. I unlocked the bunker and the other part. You just had the purple key.
Excuse me, no. Okay, I got the red key and I opened it. I got the blue key and there I did a lot of things. So yeah. Yes. Come on, come on, come on.
Can you see my face?
No.
I don't know why. What? Why can't these people escape?
You're gonna.
Yes. Open. Go. Escape. You dumb hooligan. Escape. Put escape in the chat.
When do you guys escape? Is this guy gonna escape? He should escape any second right now. Kai,
What?
who says to not use those words, mommy? So don't use those words. You're freaking kidding me, right? He's freaking kidding me, right? Dumb. Nice and dumb. Kai. Whatever. What the?
Okay, I got it.
Finally! Look! Yes, I'm the first one. I'm the queen. Ow. Okay. Kai, should we end this video?
Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Say bye, Kai.
Bye.
Bye guys. See you I don't know, maybe later I make 2 videos. Bye. Never mind, cause I'm Spider. Yes. I'm Spider. I just want to see how I look. Look how I look. And look at my kitty. Poor kitty. Yeah? Look, he's inside my bra. Ha ha ha. Poor kitty. Okay, well, yeah, I think we should end this video. Yeah, because we're just wasting time. There's just 4 more minutes for this video to end. So, yeah, guys. Bye.
Bye.